Right now, I'm carrying the JCI mic, which is used as a symbol uh, for for expressing my opinion regarding. Usually, the mic is an electronic device which is used for enhancing our voice. Especially, it is useful for the people who doesn't have the who, a loud voice. Because of mic, everybody will be able to hear our voice. That's not true.
ఇంకా టైం ఎంత ఉంది? అయిపోయిందా? మరి చెప్పండి.
I'm Sriram. By profession, I am an advocate. Today, I choose to topic about population in India. Earlier, a year back, China was in the first place in terms of population, but today India is in first place in terms of population. Whether it is boon or bane um, for our country, I mean the growing population is boon or bane for our country. Just like we have a saying in English, as every coin has two sides, we are also having positive effects and disadvantages of having the population heavy population. First and foremost thing is we have limited natural resources. Because of growing population cannot cater the needs of the this I mean the because of the limited natural resources, this cannot cater the needs of the growing population. On the other side of the coin, if we have if we follow the principle of China earlier, which China had, I mean one or finally I conclude that it would be better if we have limited population, but they should be nurtured through skill development. Thank you.